Hari Om students, today we are going to deal about the transpose of matrices. Transpose of matrices just like a child play, very easy, and I think all of you understand easily. So now see what is the definition of transpose of matrices. The transpose of matrices just first of all it will be observe an example, then it will be clear to what is the transpose of matrices. Let us see. If A equal to 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 2, 3, it's the 2 by 3 matrix. If we will write A transpose, then it will be 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 2, 3. It becomes 3 into 2. Only this is the process, that is the example. What we have to do in transpose? Any matrix, if any matrix is given, we have to change the row into column. Then it becomes the transpose. Very easy. Here are you observing the A is 2 by 3 matrix 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 2, 3. And what is the A transpose? Just row I will converted into column. It becomes the transpose of A. And now same thing defined in the words. The process defined in the words, that is the transpose of matrix. Relate a matrix of order A into A. Then the A into a matrix obtained by interchanging the row and column of A is called transpose of A. In general, it has been written A equal to Aij, M into N matrix. Then what will be the transpose? The transpose will be A transpose equal to Aij into N into N by N. N by N. N by N. Now, the properties. There are some properties in transpose also. We have to know about the properties of transpose of the matrix. The first property is A transpose. The transpose of A transpose is A. A transpose, का transpose A. ये क्या है भाई? अगर किसी चीज को दो बार पलट दो तो क्या हो जाएगा? सीधा हो जाएगा. तो वेरी सिंपल. अब सी here A equal to 1, 2, 3 and A transpose is here written. If you will write again the transpose of A transpose, then it becomes again we have to change that column into row. Then it becomes 1, 2, 3 minus 1, 2, 3. It is A. तो दो बार पलटेंगे तो सीधा बस यहाँ दो बार पलट दिया गया और nothing you have to do. So this is the transpose. Now see here the second property is A plus B transpose equal to B plus A transpose equal to B transpose plus A transpose plus B transpose. यानी कि दो मैट्रिक्स है ए और बी, दोनों को अगर हम जोड़ करके उसका ट्रांसपोज निकालते हैं, फिर ए का और बी का दोनों का ट्रांसपोज निकालते हैं तो देखते हैं रिजल्ट सेम होगा. बी प्लस ए, उसी को बी प्लस ए करके ट्रांसपोज निकालते हैं, फिर बी और टी, बी का और ए का दोनों का ट्रांसपोज निकालने को जोड़ते हैं तो रिजल्ट विल बी सेम. तो यही है सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी. आई होप it's very clear, very easy to understand. A plus B transpose equal to B plus A transpose equal to B transpose plus A transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Now see the third, K A का whole transpose equal to K A transpose. K यहाँ क्या है? स्केलर है. तो according to scalar multiplication, just if you will be write K A transpose, then there will be no any change in K. It will be K A transpose. Of now, in 4, it's the A B transpose. In multiplication, if A and B are two matrices, then A B transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. इसको just I want to bring here. If there are two matrices, see here, that A3, if there are two matrices A, B, suppose A equal to 2, 3, minus 1, 1, and B equal to minus 1, 0, 2, 1. A and B are two matrices, both are of the by 2, 2 by 2. Now, if we will multiply A, B, then we have to write A B transpose. First of all, we have to multiply A and B, and then transpose A B. If we multiply first two and first one, so 2 minus 1 minus 2 plus 6, 2, 3, first row second column 0 plus 3. Second row first column plus 1 plus 2, 0 plus 1. What will be the result here? Transpose. Directly we can write it. It becomes 4, 3, 3, 1. And what is the transpose? Transpose will be 4, 3, 3, 1. Row has been changed into column. Now B transpose into A transpose. Just multiply B transpose into A transpose. Here just I have dealt up to property 4. I am going to omit that up to property 4 and just that fourth property is going to deal with you. Just I am explaining the property 4, and I hope I will take all these a screenshot. First of all, directly what you have to do, what has been written, take the screenshot and then you can write it. Okay, now the B transpose into A transpose. What is the B transpose? What is the B transpose? Change the row into column, minus 1, 0, 2, 1. And A transpose is 2, 3, minus 1. Multiply it. First row, first column. It will be minus 2 plus 6. 1, first row, second column, plus 2. Second row, first column, 0 plus 3. Second row, second column, 0 plus 2. The result is 4, 3, 3, 1. What happened? The AB transpose equal to B transpose, B transpose. And that the fifth property is just extension of the fourth properties. It's the generalized form. What's the generalized form? If there are A matrices, A1, A2, A3, An, then the multiplication of all matrices, the transpose will be just reverse order. An transpose, another An minus 1 transpose, and so on, A2 transpose and A1 transpose. So that is the fifth property of transpose. So properties and definition of transpose has been over here. Now we have to solve some question to understand it very clearly. It's, I think, very easy. All things will be clear among you. But some questions just on that properties we have to use. See, just one question, very easy. If A equal to cos alpha, right? If A equal to cos alpha sin alpha and minus sin alpha into cos alpha, with 2 by 2 matrix. Then we have to verify that A, so that A transpose into A equal to I. Just what we have to do, first of all we have to find the A transpose and then multiply with A. A transpose solution, what will be the solution? See here. A transpose into A. A transpose is cos alpha sin alpha. Just we have to change minus sin alpha and cos alpha. And A is cos alpha sin alpha and minus sin alpha cos alpha. So we have to multiply to know the how multiplication is possible, very easy. Just it has been discussed in earlier classes. There are so many methods. Now, first row and first column, it will be right. So cos square alpha plus sin square. First row, and first row, second column, cos alpha sin alpha. First row, second column, cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Second row, first column, sin alpha cos alpha and minus sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Second row, first column will be sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. That becomes 1 0 0 equal to I. So that is the solution. Now again I want to write one question on the only transpose of matrices. Very easy. It's for your just in पंचपदीय कहा जाता है कि भाई अदिति बोध और तब अभ्यास, तो ये ओनली फॉर योर अभ्यास. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The next question is let A equal to 2 1 minus 1 3 4 5 minus 1 2 3 and B equal to minus 1 4 3 0 minus 2 1 5 2 3. That is the two matrices, and we have to prove what A plus B transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. It's also the properties of the transpose. Easily we can prove. First of all, we have to LHS A plus B. We have to write A plus B. What will be A plus B? Transpose of A plus B. A plus B, we know about the addition of matrices. Just add each element to their corresponding elements. So 2 minus 1, it will be 1. 5, 1, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, it will be minus 4. 3, 0, 3. 4, minus 2, it will be 2. 5, 1, 6. Minus 1 and 5, 4. 2, 2, 4. And 3, 3, 6. And what will be the transpose? Just change the row into column. 1, 5, minus 4. 3, 2, 6. 4, 4, 6. This is the A plus B whole transpose. And now we have to write the A transpose plus B transpose. A transpose will be 2, 1, minus 1, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, 2, 3. And B transpose, just A transpose plus B transpose, right? A transpose plus B transpose. What will be the B transpose? B transpose will be minus 1, 4, minus 3, 0, minus 2, 1. The second row, second column. Third row, 5, 2, 3. Now if you will be add A transpose plus B transpose, then what will be the result? See here, it will be the A3 plus B3. What will be the results? It will be added. The result will be 2 minus 1, 3, minus 1, 5, 4, 1, 4, 5, 4 minus 2, 2, 4, minus 1, minus 3, minus 4, 5, 1, 6, and 3, 3, 6. It's just equal to LHS. It's the RHS. Are you observing here? LHS is 1, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, minus 4, 6, 6. And that is the LHS and it's the RHS. Just RHS is also 1, 5, minus 4, 3, 2, 6, 4, 4, 6. So it's very easy, and I think transpose, up to transpose, so you can solve from your textbook. Now in next video I will deal with symmetricity and skew symmetry of the matrices. Thank you.